Boom! Hello squirrels! What's up world? Welcome back to today's video. It is another beautiful day outside. Can this summer not end? I only like to film in front of the window during the summer. If you guys notice in the winter, I kind of turn it the other way because in the winter outside that window, bleak, typical Canadian winter. Anyway, you guys, today I am feeling so excited. Last night I already tried to film this video and I was so tongue-tied. I tried to film at like 5 p.m. and honestly, if I don't film for you guys by like 10 o'clock in the morning, I'm like, today is over, I can't go on, wrap it up, let's move along. But you guys, rest assured, I am here. Today, you guys, we are talking all about the truth of toners, of facial toners. We are going to talk all about what toners are, what they do, how they work, the pros, the cons, and ultimately, do you need it in your skincare routine? Now, I do want to give a special shout out. Today's video was a subscriber recommendation. I'm going to put a screen cap right here. Bing! Special shout out for the video recommendation. As soon as I saw that comment, I was like, not only do I need to answer this question, but I need to make this an entire video. I am the self-proclaimed YouTube king of toners. I say that all the time. You guys know toners have a very special place in my heart, but that doesn't mean that I'm not going to cover the cons and some of the reasons why people choose not to use toners in their skincare routine. But we're going to get into all of that. Before we go any further, if you haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe right down below to join this ever-growing family. And whether you're a returning subscriber or a brand new member of the family, say hi, say hey, what's up, hello in the comments down below. I love to talk to you guys. I reply to every single comment. I even reply to the trolling comments. So make sure you're leaving me a comment. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. Everything you need to know about facial toners. Are they worth the hype? And do you need them in your skincare routine? Grab your toners and let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so grab your horse, hop in your buggy, and let's go back to the early 1900s when face toners were first created as facial tonics. Now, way back then, I wouldn't recommend using a facial tonic because they often contained high alcohol perfumes and borax, like the type of borax that you clean your floor, that you wash your clothes with. This was in the original facial tonics. Luckily, none of them contain borax any longer, but in the 1900s, they were used to reset muscle fatigue. You would splash it on your face, and I don't know, basically, I assume it would like poison your face into relaxing. Now, modern-day toners were reintroduced into the skincare routine after the cleansing process as a way to reset your skin's pH level. Now, the pH scale goes from 0 to 14, with 0 being very acidic, which is going to be more inflamed red skin, all the way up to 14, which is more alkaline, which is going to give you dry, dull, parched skin. And our skin normally sits around a 4-5, so almost right in the middle of that pH scale, which is the healthy balance where your skin can help protect itself from outside pollutants, germs, bacteria, all that nastiness. You really want your skin in that neutral zone. So when you wash your skin, it can slide along that scale, and using a toner was used to correct it, rebalancing it around to like a 5 where your skin is most naturally protected. Now, one of the major cons that people like to talk about when talking about toners is that cleansers have come such a far way where they're not as stripping to the skin as they used to be. So if your skin isn't stripped from the cleanser, why would you need to use a toner? But you guys, today's toners, even like in the last, I would say 5 years, toners have come a very long way. You can get them to micro-target specific skin concerns. I mean, there's toners for everything. Hydrating, exfoliating, brightening, removing those last traces of dirt on your skin. They're going to make your pores appear smaller. They're going to make your skin look snatched. It's going to provide that first layer of hydration. Toners are also going to help make your skin softer, making any serums, lotions, potions that you apply on top of your skin absorb better. Now, I do want to touch on one other criticism that I most often hear talked about when associated with toners, and that's the fact that some of the older formulas contain alcohol. I do recommend if you're using a toner, steer away from one that contains alcohol. I know in the past I've used ones that do contain alcohol. They are hard to avoid on the market. I'm going to show you guys a few of my favorites in a second, but the first tip that I have is steer clear of alcohol. There's a ton of other choices out there if that's something that really irritates your skin. Keep in mind that any additional layer in your skincare routine, whether that be a face mask, a serum, a new moisturizer, anytime you introduce a new skincare product to your skin, there is a potential for irritation. And that potential can come right away, it can come later down the road. You can develop a fragrance allergy at any time. So anytime you work something into your skincare routine, do be aware that by introducing it to your skin, you could cause an allergic reaction, and we'll leave it at that. do a patch test if you're really worried. Okay guys, so now the fun part. I want to show you a few of my favorite toners. I have 3 here to show you guys, and each one ranges in a different texture. So I have from a watery texture to a light gel texture to a milky texture. All beautiful toners, and depending on what my skin is craving at the time, if it's craving something refreshing, a splash of freshness, I'll use a really watery toner. But if my skin is dry and dehydrated, I like to move more into the gel textures and those hydrating, moisturizing toners. Now, all of these toners come at different price points, from cheapest to most expensive. They also do different things for your skin, so oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so first up, we're talking about the TONERS Natural Remedies Facial Toner, Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula, and of course I picked unscented and alcohol-free. This was named by Allure as a holy grail product of under $10. It's gonna cleanse, tone, moisturize, and balance the pH level of your skin. Now, as you can see, this is a really watery texture and so easily absorbed into your skin. I am obsessed. It contains certified, organic, non-distilled witch hazel. The thing that I love most about this toner is how light and refreshing it is, and this is a holy grail product. I'm so excited. I've only tried this a couple of times. This contains witch hazel, which is really good at tightening your pores, as well as aloe vera, which is going to hydrate the skin. And of course, this toner is alcohol-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. Under $10. Sign me up. Now, next up is the Frutia Pomegranate Nutri Moisturizing Toner. That's $20. This is a pomegranate toner. There is 0 water in here. It's 87% pomegranate extract. This one helps to control moisture and helps keep your skin hydrated all day long. As you can see, this is more of a creamy gel texture. When my skin is dry, but not super dry, when it's just kind of like, you know, had enough of the day, I love to use this toner to really provide extra hydration. I love the way it applies. It's so smooth, it's so silky. However, now I will say, if you have acne prone skin, this toner might not be for you. When I flipped over the ingredients, I saw a lot of fruit oils that can sit in the pore, and if you're acne prone, it can potentially cause breakouts. But this has grapeseed oil, mango, grapefruit. I mean, there's a lot of fruit oils in there. So if you're someone who gets pimples often, this one might not be for you. But if you're someone with normal skin, not prone to acne, this is such a hydrating, beautiful toner. Honestly, and the fact that it contains no water, all fruit extracts, I mean, so luxurious. Now, this wouldn't be a video on facial toners if we didn't talk about the Kylie Skin Vanilla Milk Toner that retails for $22. This is still sold out months later after many restocks. This is one of the products that Kylie cannot keep in stock. Again, this is an alcohol-free facial toner because why include alcohol in any of your toners anymore? We've come so much further than that, as we've learned. In this formula, there's avocado oil, kiwi seed oil, and apple extract that helps to soothe, tone, and restore the natural hydration. As you guys can see, this is such a milky toner, and if you have dry skin, like it's the end of summer, if you've been living at the beach, this is the perfect way to start your skincare routine. Now, this toner is lightly fragranced, so if you're someone who isn't into fragrance in their skincare, be wary of this guy. It is alcohol-free, like I said. There's jojoba seed oil, sodium hyaluronate that's going to help to retain moisture in your skin. Like I said as well, avocado oil and apple fruit extract. Now, like the Frutia toner, if you're someone that's acne prone, using this toner, you might want to be careful. Maybe just do a little patch test first. There is a lot of kiwi seed oil in this toner. So like the Frutia toner, it can sit in the pore and cause it to be clogged. But if you are not acne prone, this toner, you guys, it really just coats your skin in that first layer of milky hydration. It makes your skin instantly feel soothed, refreshed. It does have a really light scent of vanilla. It smells so, just kidding. So those are 3 of my favorite toners, depending on what my skin is craving. Like I said, it's the end of summer, and if you've been laying by the pool for the last couple of months or by the beach, you might want the Kylie Skin Vanilla Milk Toner, really to give your skin that first layer of like almost a cool blanket, deep hydration, but light hydration. Or if you're someone who just wants that extra freshness, the TONERS toner gives you like that double splash, that alertness. It's going to help to refine your pores. I mean, no matter what your skin concern is, there's a toner out there that can help you achieve the results that you're looking for. Now, as far as application method goes, you guys know I no longer use cotton pads. I feel like they are so old school and they soak up most of the product. But if you're someone who wears a lot of makeup, you might want to use a cotton pad as a second cleanse after cleansing your skin. Soak that cotton pad full of toner, wipe over your face, and you'll actually see more makeup and more dirt coming off on the cotton pad. It's literally disgusting, and you're like, how did my cleanser miss this? However, I love to use my hands. I just pour the toner right on my hands and to slap it in. I just feel that A, the product goes a lot deeper into the skin because you're kind of splashing it and pressing it into the skin. And B, worst case scenario, you don't lose any product onto the cotton pad. It just soaks into your skin, and then at least the palms of your hands are nice and smooth. All right, guys. So in my opinion, toners are worth the hype. They're worth the hype and then some. The changes that I've seen in my skin, granted, my skin is not overly sensitive and I'm not acne prone, so I don't need to be as careful as some of you guys out there that I hear, use a new product and you break out instantly. Like I said, every time you introduce something into your skincare routine, there is a potential for your skin to react, so add anything in gently, delicately, and most importantly, listen to your skin. But in my experience, toners, they provide a great first layer of hydration. They've also helped me with my skin tone, my texture, dull skin, making my skin bright, hydrated, illuminated, and toners really help get my skin ready for any serums, moisturizers, and face masks that I am going to apply. If you've been following my channel since the very beginning, the proof is in the pudding when it comes to skincare. Like I always say, if you don't use skincare, yes, your skin is going to stay on your face. You'll probably look fine, to be honest, but if there's a certain aesthetic that you want to achieve, there are ways to do it, and skincare products are here to help. Toners have come such a long way from the 1900s when they were facial tonics containing floor cleaning chemicals, all the way to, helping the skin restore its pH balance, to now micro-targeting your skin concerns. Honestly, whatever your skin concern out there is, there's a toner for you. I will continue to keep searching and keep trying all the toners in the world, all the skincare in the world, to bring you guys the best of the best. If you guys have any favorite toners that you need me to try, let me know in the comments down below. Recommendations, favorite products, products that you don't like. I want to know all the tea. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for sticking around until the very end. If you made it to the very end, Romeo and I love and appreciate you so much. Thanks, guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe before you go. Turn on that bell notification. Woo, there's cat hair everywhere. And of course, me and Romeo will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.